the moment of truth. So you just seen that I did it for the very first actual, I wouldn't even call it a tune-up, because to me a tune-up is you change the distributor cap, you change the rotor, you change the spark plug wires, you change the spark plugs, and at times you change the actual ignition coil, and that to me is an official tune-up. For this, it's technically a tune-up. The only thing that I think that I could add in is an oil change for it to be a complete tune-up. I really don't know what else you can do to make it a tune-up. So I changed the spark plugs. The spark plugs were, you could tell, run down, probably not giving the same spark that they used to back in their glory day. And it recommends for the 2.5 an actual double platinum, right? So I got a double platinum, ended up spending like 30 bucks, no big deal. But this is the very first startup after the tune-up. Nah, I'm just joking. It still sounds the same, but we'll see how it drives when we go to the store right now to go get that movie, Coco. They used to have a size this big, and it would just be one little refill that we could put back into our thing. Can't even do that no more. Shh, do it. Do it.
I know.
Do it.
I know.
Oh, you know.
What are you doing?
Turn it on. I can't see it. Oh.
No.
Good. What's up? Right here. That one.
No. That one?
Yeah. $12? I wish it was $12. I wish it was $12.
Stop.
It's not stuck. It's not stuck.
Remember to grab your receipt.
Throwing up the L?
I did it! Yay! I want. No!
No what? We're back like less than an hour. Do you guys realize we have been vlogging for over a year? I hadn't even stopped to make an actual 365-day vlog in a row. Like, the goal has been met and we are going past that like no problem. I haven't even stopped and basked in the glory of what it is that's happening, the goal that I have reached. It is amazing. Absolutely amazing, and we are about to go do something amazing. Hopefully everything works out and this envelope will no longer be mine. We will see you in just a little bit.